In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a sketch like this logo and turn it into a beautiful logo you can use for your actual business. Oh, no time for the intro today. We're diving right into MidJourney version 4. If you watch my other video, you saw so many creative ways how to use this amazing AI tool. You want to make a baby Thor? Check. Baby Captain America? We got you. The most nuclear gender reveal you've ever seen? Yeah. As you can see, you can easily take these prompts to make ridiculous images, or you can use them for viable business needs, like creating a logo. Grabbing my side hustle training cap and a quick shave. All right, let's get this show on the road. You have to do the imagine prompt first. This is what is going to trigger this bot to start creating this image for you. I already have a logo for my coaching program. I made it myself, very simple. I will tell you this, done is better than perfect. Don't spend too much time trying to make your logo perfect. It doesn't really matter. You're the only person that really cares about your logo. Most everybody else doesn't care. But some of you want to be able to learn how to do this to sell other people logos. In that case, the time you spend in the prompts really do matter. So for me to take my sketch logo and turn it into a beautifully designed AI logo with all the elements that I want, we're going to start slow with the prompts that we use being as detailed as possible. I don't want to have to do this a million different times. So we're going to try to be very clear. What you want to do is you want to talk to this machine as if you're talking to a fifth grader. Using AI tools to make logos is fun, but I wanted to interrupt my own video to let you know that there is a way that you can start making money now using AI tools. My friend Carla White has a new program. She's teaching people how to use AI to write books. Not just have it write books for you, but create the covers, everything start to finish, and get them online on Amazon to where you can actually generate revenue every single day from your efforts. She was nice enough to give me the ability to give you a huge discount into this new program. It's the first link in the description of this video. Back to my logo. Logo of a rocket taking off, man hanging out the rocket window, happy. I'm separating the thoughts by commas. Money flowing instead of propellant. Enter. One thing I like about MidJourney is that if I scroll up, yours is going to be highlighted because sometimes these things are moving pretty quick. You get 5 images pop in here real quick, you're going to lose yours. But if I just start scrolling up, eventually your eye will catch the highlight. Once it gets to 100%, it will be at the bottom. Here we go. So this one is done. Let's see how it did. I'm going to go back to the drawing board. I don't have one that I like enough here to where I'm going to take it and tweak it to make it better. I'm going to start over. I do like this one, but obviously this rock is taken off without this guy. I want him riding it. That's it. I'm going to put riding on the rocket. Okay, here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Riding on the rocket probably isn't the right prompt because it's got these guys larger than life. I could probably use this one and tweak it. This guy's happy. There's money flying around. I'm not sure what kind of rocket that is. I've got an idea. Let me give it a better rocket prompt. I'm going to use a realistic rocket this time. Apollo 11 rocket. Somebody else recently put happy man winning the lottery. 3D space. That guy's pretty happy. It's about what you'd see. What I've learned is I like to get what I want first. Then I want to add the newest version of MidJourney into the mix to see what I come up with. Typically, I get better results than if I start with version 4. You always want to sip a little coffee while you're waiting. Definitely helps. Let's see what we got. When you're creating a logo, you do want to know your demographic. In my business model, who I'm trying to rescue are people who have been in the corporate world for decades who just want out. They want either a side income or they want to be able to completely change careers and do digital marketing full time. So these people tend to be 40s, 50s, 60s. The only one that's going to make sense for me to target that demographic, that age range, is going to be this lower right-hand side one here. So I'm going to go ahead and upscale this one and see what we get. To upscale it, you're just going to come down here. This is version 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. U4. I'm going to click it. And then when it upscales it, it's also going to give you a couple other options. You can do a beta or a light remix. We're going to actually try both of those because I might use this first one that I get that is upscaled, but I also want to show you how slight changes to the upscaled version can make a big difference. All right, here it is. Boom. It looks okay. The guy's face from the previous version looks a little off now. Because it's not perfect, I'm going to do a light upscale redo, and at the same time, I'm going to click beta upscale redo. Remember, you get hours and hours for free using MidJourney version 4 here. I'm going to try one more time from the top, using version 4 at the beginning to see if we can get a little bit closer to what I'm looking for. Okay, here it is. This guy definitely looks like he's winning at life. There's one thing I forgot to do. It doesn't really match my branding, so I'm going to need to go back into this one, make variations, and put the one word Caribbean. While we're waiting, and because you've watched this far, I'm going to show you something pretty cool. I'm starting a side business, side hustle, using AI. This, if you can see it, is a real coaster that is going to replace my dirty Google Partner coaster that has mold or something on it. Without giving too much away, limited edition exclusive coasters. Stay tuned because I am going to be teaching you how I build the landing pages, how I do all of it from A to Z. Oh, I just got the versions back though. I like this guy here. I'm gonna go ahead and upscale this guy. On the rocket, there's money, there's palm trees, looking happy. Let's go ahead and upscale him. See if we can close this thing down. Here's somebody else probably making a storybook. If you want to see what's possible for you and how you can make money with this AI, when you click the Carla White link in the description, scroll down to the bottom and look at the testimonials of other people who have recently joined her program. They are crushing it. So don't just sit back and watch YouTube videos all the time. Implement, take chances, invest in yourself, invest in your education, learn how to do this stuff. You're going to have a blast and potentially make a whole lot of money. I could have made this video 1 minute long and just showed you the last prompts, but I wanted you to see that troubleshooting is part of any business. It's okay if you don't hit it right the first time. If you have the patience, you're eventually going to get the result that you want. All right, here we go. So it gave this guy more of a fun tie. It looks like I got my winner here. I'm going to upscale this. This one's even better. Subject Matter Expert Academy. That's what I'm going after. So I'm gonna get into Photopea and I'm just gonna put S right here. It almost looks like SMEA. I'm gonna give them a thumbs up, rock and roll. By the time you see this, it will be a finished version. Boom, that's how you use MidJourney. Total time making this logo, giving it the prompts I wanted, was less than 10 minutes. Total time giving it the prompt for the final version I used was less than 2 minutes. Overall, you're gonna spend less than 20 minutes creating amazing logos for your business or other people's businesses. You can create up to 30 variations in the same time frame as I did this video and show them the designs. Baby Hulk, Baby Wolverine, Baby Doctor Strange, Baby Black Panther. May you rest in peace.